a doggy? No, this is Puppy.
Puppy? Good job, Tater.
Good job. Bye. No. I beat you, girl. Bye. Can I make a new put some words out of here? It's too stale. Huh? It's too stale. Hard.
Tater. Tatum.
Bye, Tater.
Who's that?
Jules.
What's her name?
Jules.
That's right, Tatum. Can you say Jules?
Yeah, eyes.
Eyes, yeah.
Princesses have eyes too.
Princesses do have eyes. Lily, what are you doing up there? Be careful.
Princesses and Smurf and Hello Kitty.
Oh, good. Okay, let's go to bed, girls. Okay, good night.